Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is M. Nabil Hafiz, NPM 2341 2014. Sekarang kita akan membahas materi tentang customer and market. Apa sih customer market itu? Pertama kita ada market type. Market type, three are essentially four type of markets. Each of these four type has a different sales model, sales cycle, capital requirement, and adoption rate. Let's take a look at each step. 1. Exciting. 2. Resegmented or niche. 3. New. 4. Cloned. What exciting market? Exciting market, when investor and entrepreneurs push an exciting market, the advantage is that there is little or not market risk in this type of market. 1. Competitor exit. 2. Customer want and need better performance. 3. Technology is usually the driving factor. 4. Positioning is driven by the product and how much value customer place on each feature. 5. The risk is thinking competitor are too slow. 6. There is no gap you need to fill. The gap is the gap between early adopter and mainstream customer in the market. New market, in this type of the market. 1. Customer don't excite today, so generating revenue texture. 2. Market size is 0. 3. Customer need to make aware of their need. 4. You must consider what factor you can create that haven't been offered before. 5. The biggest gap here is that you will only be selling to every early adopters. Resegmented market. Resegmented market, a new market, is a combination of a new market and exciting market, meaning that the new market is created for a small segmented of an exciting market. The characteristic of type of market are: 1. Low cost. 2. No niche. In this type of market, 1. Evaluate factors that have long been competitive in your industry and elimination them. 2. Evaluate which factor can be reduced significantly below industry standard. 2. Evaluate which factor can be increased above industry standard. 3. Evaluate which factor can be created that have never been offered before. 4. 3 is little gap in this type of market. Clone market. In a clone market, customers are recognized because you imitate. An exciting market is called a clone because in this type of market you localize all the specific problem for your country or region. 3. 4. You take a variety business model and adapt in to local condition. There are not competitor if you are ahead and you risk using locally this type of market. Adapt a variety business model to local condition, language, culture, import, restriction, and local regulation. Requires a large customer base, typically 100 million or 100 million. Market segmentation. Market segmentation is the practice of dividing your target market into approachable group. Your create market space based on demographic needs, priority, shares, interest, and other psychographic or behavioral criteria used to better understand to your target audience. There are 4 basic type of market segments. 1. Demographic. 2. Physiographic. 3. Geographic. 4. Behavioral. Now, estimate your market size. TAM. What is the TAM? TAM, total addressable market, refers to the total market demand for a product or service. Is the maximum amount of revenue a business generated by selling is the product or service in a specific market. SAM, serviceable addressable market, estimate the portion of the time you can capture taking into the account your contracts, geographic, demographic, marketing, and advertising expenditure, logistics, and etc. Some serviceable obtained market determines how many customers from the time will realistically purchase your product. Some is the portion of the time that is limited by natural barriers such as distance or limit capacity as a production capacity or marketing risk, loss of market share to competitor. Customer persona. 1. Innovator. These are buyers who enjoys innovative product. They are always looking for this, and it has become part of their lifestyle. 2. Early adopters. They value innovation, are ready to adopt new product even if they are imperfect or technically undeveloped. 3. Early majority and late majority. Innovative technology is not a key in their decision making. They are driven by analysis of various standard factors such as price, quality, need, etc. 4. Laggard. They are the last to adoption innovation. Unlike some of the previous category, individuals in this category show little opinion leadership. These individuals typically exhibit a reluctance to be changed against. Customer conversation. Step 1. Set stage. Tell me about the problem that you are facing. Share your thoughts about your problem so that you can slow competent and identify problem to solve. Step 2. Verify customer segment. What the responsible scenario involved. Do you think deals with this problem? Verify this person is a buyer, decision maker, recommended influencer. Those 3 to understand role or job, demographic, who they report to or who influence decision. Step 3. Tell me about a time. Tell me about your experience. What was starting about it? Ask the customer to tell you about a time they experienced this problem. Pay attention to whether they have tried to solve this problem and how they did it. Observation to action. Step 4. A day in the life. Walk the talk. A typical day for you. How does this problem play into your today life? Ask the customer. Walk you through a typical day their life. Keep this open-ended. Step 5. Problem ranking. On a scale of 1 to 9, how willing are you to pay for a product that will solve your problem? Highlight the top 3 problems the customer face. Then ask him or her to rank it in a couple of different way. Step 6. The ask or wrap it up. Would you mind me getting baking? Toast or bring a bit tester, introducing me to someone who might be facing the problem. Confirm your key takeaways and make sure heard the customer recordly. If you want their feedback, your product as now. Sekian materi yang dapat saya sampaikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.